Hello everyone. Today is day 6 and today's problem is maximize area of square hole in a grid. So basically in this question we are given two numbers n and m. Basically n means number of horizontal lines in middle of the border lines and m means number of vertical lines in middle of the two vertical border lines. So for example, if you get n equals to 3 and m equals to 4, so you just have to draw a rectangle and n number of horizontal lines in the middle. So 1, 2 and 3, and this number of vertical lines 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 5. So you can say you get numbers n and m which denote the grid n plus 1 into m plus 1. So here you can see we have 3 by 2 grid. Now basically the question is asking, we have two arrays h bars and v bars. H bars represent the number of those lines that can be removed from the grid. So here we have 2 and 3. So this line 2 and this line 3. We can remove these two lines from the grid, and vertical bars only 2. So we can only remove this one line from the grid. And we have to find that after removing these lines, what is the maximum square area. So basically if you remove 2 and 3, so if you remove this line and if you remove this second line, so you get this square, this 2 by 2 square, which has the maximum area 4. So for instance, let's say we have this grid and we can remove one horizontal and one vertical line. So you can see that if we remove one horizontal and one vertical line, this point will get removed and we will get a square that is 2 by 2. So removing one horizontal and one vertical line gives you a square of 2 by 2. Similarly, here you can see if we remove these two lines, so if you remove two horizontal and two vertical lines, you get 1 2 3 1 2 3. You get a square of 3 by 3. But you have to notice that, let's say in this grid we remove this 2 3 and we remove this 1 and this 3. So here you can see this will be removed and this will be removed, but removing these 4 will not give us a, we are removing two horizontal and two vertical lines, but we are not getting 3 by 3 square because the lines are not continuous. So we just have to remember that number of lines, let's say we are removing m lines, continuous, horizontal and vertical, so we will get a square of m plus 1 into m plus 1. Now the only thing we have to do is now find the number of continuous bars that we can remove from horizontal and vertical, and we just have to do, let's say A is the number of horizontal bars we can remove and B is the number of vertical bars we have to remove. So basically we are always removing same number of horizontal and vertical. So if we have A and B, then we will find out which is the lowest. If A is less than B, then we can remove A horizontal bars and A vertical bars, and we will get a square of A plus 1 into A plus 1. So that is it. This is the solution and this is the area that we have to return. Thank you.